Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. When you take control of the all-new 2023 Thor Ace 29D, you're going to notice the cockpit is modern and stylish, including a dash that has a beautiful background, a tilting and telescoping steering wheel that has controls of the radio as well as the backup monitor. Right here at your fingertips is a 10-inch dash that has your Google and your Apple CarPlay, and your co-pilot, they enjoy a comfy leather chair as well, plus a fold-out workstation with laptop table. And for the furry friends, they'll get to watch America cruise by with their very own sky window right there at the floor. Right above the cockpit is the bunk over cab. You got a 54 by 74 sleeping area and is a great place for the kids or an adult to rest their head at night. Whether you're taking in the views of the beautiful scenery through large panoramic windows with beautiful valances or the beautiful 39-inch LED TV, you're not going to have a bad view from either the leatherette jackknife sofa or the Dream dinette, complete with wireless charging. For my camp chefs out there, the kitchen in the 29D gives you form and beauty. Not only with a solid surface pressed countertop, you got the undermounted stainless steel bowl, high-rise faucet and sprayer, and more prep space thanks to the glass cover on my 3-burner cooktop. So when you're ready to make those camp meals, they're gonna be mwah. Solid pocket door separates the rest of the 29D from the bathroom. Thor has maximized the space, giving you along the back wall lots of cabinet space, even 2 towel holders right above your porcelain high-rise foot flush toilet. The shower, 24 by 36 with a large skylight. You even get the curved shower door that's antimicrobial. Let's cruise on down that residential flooring right into the rear of the 29D, where you find your master bedroom, complete with plenty of nightstand space, a mirrored ward closet, you even got a little hideaway telescoping ladder. And if you want to catch the local news, maybe catch up on your favorite shows, right above a little mini prep station is a 32-inch LED TV on a strut-supported door, giving you some more hideaway storage. The 2023 Thor Ace 29D is seated on that beautiful Ford F53 chassis, complete with an 8,000-pound towing hitch. And on the exterior, you'll have plenty of space to store all those camp essentials, thanks to the basement storage complete with rotocast molded interiors. You got an outside kitchen, 32-inch TV, all seated under that beautiful large awning with the LED light strip. And to keep you going when you want to go boondocking or just stay off the grid, you got a 4,000-watt Onan generator. At 30 feet 9 inches, the 2023 Thor Ace 29D does a good job of accommodating 6 to 7 people, depending on if you got kids or not. And the best part about it is, you want to pick up this beautiful Class A? We got them waiting for you at your local camping world.